Bangaphezulu ka-350 abantu abashona ngenxa yezibhelu zaKwaZulu-Natal naseGauteng. Umonakalo kumabhizinisi nenqalazinda ibalele ku-50 billion amarandi. Utungunyane nothuthuva lwasuka ngemuva ukuboshwa kukaloyo bengumengameli umnumzana Jacob Zuma ngemuva ukuthi eshaye indivu umyalelo wenkantolo ukuthi avele phambi kwekhomishani ibiphenya izinsolo zokugwamandwa kwamandla ombuso. Kwaboshwa abantu abangu-19 okwakusolwa ukuthi babephehla udlame ngonyaka odlule. Izola ama-Hawks abophe abasolwa abangu-85 ey'nsolweni zokusebenza etulwini lokususa uthuthuva emphakathini. Abanye babo bangamalungu e-ANC.
I must say this was a complex and sophisticated one, and then there was a lot of people that we were looking at, and eventually as the investigations unfold, we were able to have enough evidence that these people that we have arrested yesterday.
Abangamashumi amabili abavele enkantolo namuhla banikwe ibheli engangu 3,000 rand umuntu ngamunye. Omunye wabo ukhishwe ngesixwayiso. Omunye kwabangu-85 obefunwa ama-Hawks ushone ngonyaka odlule.
The conditions of their bail was that they do not communicate any details of this case on social media. Also that they inform the investigating officer should they change their contact number as well as residential address or if they require permission to leave the province of KZN.
Abanye abasolwa abangu-62 kulindele ukuba bavele ngesonto elizayo. Ey'ndabeni ze-SABC nginguvusi Khumalo eThekwini.